Hello, I'm in a 2015 Jeep Wrangler, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your traction control. So from here, as long as you've got power to your vehicle, we're going to look for the symbol. This is your traction control, so push it once to turn it off, and push it again to turn it on. And you know it's off. If this is lit up, this indicates your traction control is turned off. Usually you want it turned on. You might turn it off in situations where you're towing something, or say you're in really rough road conditions, like a bunch of loose gravel, mud, ice, something like that. Thus, that way, you know, better control of which ways the wheels are spinning. But all that said, I hope this was helpful information. I hope you have a wonderful day. And if it's not going away at all as you push that button, first I would probably check fuses, make sure there's nothing like that burnt out that's making the button inoperable. Otherwise, maybe take OBD2 port scan tool to see if there's any codes that might indicate something in the suspension or a sensor that needs replaced. But otherwise, hope you have a great one.